खुश हुई। हाँ, कितने सारे लोग, आज तो एकदम हाउसफुल है। भैया, आज का शो तो एकदम ऑसम है। हाँ, देखिए, मैं आपको नाराज नहीं होने दूंगी। आओ आओ, जल्दी आओ।
भैया भाभी, आओ आओ, जल्दी आओ। हाँ हाँ अंकल आंटी, वो देखो सीट खाली है। आओ ना, चलो बैठो ना। हाँ हाँ मुन्ना, वो देख, जा उधर बैठ जा, चल।
आओ आओ, तुम भी आओ।
ओए जाने वाले, मुड़ के देखो। ओए चलने वाले, मुड़ के देखो। आओ आओ, जल्दी आओ, शो शुरू हो रहा है।
गोवा का जंगल देखो, जंगल का शेर देखो, गिरी का मोर देखो, पणजी का दरिया देखो।
गोवा के पहाड़ देखो, गोवा की चर्चिस देखो, शांता दुर्गा मंदिर देखो, पणजी का दरिया देखो। सो रहे हो क्या सुन रहे हो? वो क्या कर रहे हो? शो देखना है ना, जल्दी आओ ना, प्लीज आओ आओ जल्दी। अरे स्टॉप, अरे बाबा स्टॉप। रिहर्सल में तो ऐसे ही किया था ना?
ऐसे तो किया ही नहीं था।
फिर कैसे? खुद ही सोच ले। सोचती हूँ, सोचती हूँ। हाँ, याद आ गया। 1 2 1 2 3। अरे बस बस बस, बहुत हो गया। क्या बोल रही थी मैं? हाँ, लोगों का सर्कस देखो, जीवन का खेल देखो, करमली का तो लेक ही देखो, पणजी का दरिया देखो। छोड़ो, मैं अकेली करूंगी। शो शुरू हो गया क्या? हाँ।
Oh my God, I saw the curtain go by. How can that be? आऊ स्टार्ट करता मैं नाटक. We are girls. We are boys. We are an ambitious lot. We have dreams. We have wishes that are totally delicious. We are smart. Yes, of course we are smart. And see how we play our part.
Yes, I want to be a photographer.
I want to become a detective.
Wow.
Then I will paint them.
Wow. I want to paint life.
I want to design costumes.
I wish to go to the moon. I want to build a house.
I want to follow Abdul Kalam.
I want to become a magician.
Wow.
I want to become a tipsy diver.
Oh. I want to do what my mother couldn't do.
I want to do something that I want to do.
I want to make my parents proud of me. But you know, I want.
Now look here, Mrs. O. We are going to print an exclusive story. But that is if you cooperate.
Oh, give me that cauliflower, please. It says 211520.
I don't see any road signs, do you?
No.
You know, there used to be a telephone booth at the corner of Doodhi Road and French Beans Road where my grandma lived here.
Your grandma?
Yeah, but I'm talking about that was years ago.
Yeah.
Listen, we telephoned and made an appointment for this interview. Let's not waste each other's time. There's a lot of...
You have to leave, sir.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Ma'am, I guess we'll have to meet some... Hey, don't touch that.
Please leave.
We'll meet next Tuesday. Yes, I'm going.
There are a lot of shoes outside this house. Do you think it's the house?
Wait, let me see. 2, 1, 1, 5. Yes, this is the house actually. Look, the signboard is so faded I could only just see it.
We must have walked at least a mile.
And I chose today of all days to wear these shoes.
Well, we couldn't have possibly parked our cars over here.
Come, let's...
I'm very sorry.
How Mrs. Onion lives here.
I know.
Anyway, so sad for Mrs. Onion.
Yeah.
Wonder how she's coping with this tragedy. Hey, talking about tragedies, did you hear about the Panji Bridge tragedy?
No. What happened?
A woman with her 2 daughters jumped off the bridge.
Oh my god.
I know. Thankfully, a fishing trawler nearby saved them.
Thank God.
Thank goodness.
I know. Imagine if the trawler had not been there.
Really, Cauliflower? You always tell us such depressing stories.
Not true. This woman who jumped is my neighbor's and sister-in-law's daughter's cousin. That's how I got to hear of it. I believe they made a police complaint.
What good is that going to be? In UP, these 15 and 12-year-old girls have been trying to complain that their mother was burned alive by their family because she could not produce a male child.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Burnt alive because she couldn't produce a male child? How sad.
But that's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Everyone knows that it's the father's chromosomes that determine the sex of the child, don't they?
Who is listening to them?
Whoever listens to anyone these days. Well, let me give you some brighter news.
Yes,
please. I just read that a maternity hospital in Gujarat has announced if a girl child is born,
Yeah?
they won't charge a single paisa to the parents.
Wow.
Absolutely free.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Well, listen to this. This is even more amazing. I'm sorry. So, we've just moved into this new building. It's like so calm and quiet, not like this. Anyway, so it has a wonderful swimming pool. And you cannot imagine how many girls have signed up to learn swimming. Their coach is a national champion, Miss Kataria. And you know, my daughter's a part of the team, and I'm so proud of her.
Talk softly. Don't forget why we're here.
Poor Mrs. Onion.
Why poor Mrs. Onion?
Poor Mrs. Onion. Is everything okay, Mrs. T? You look rather red in the face. Poor Mrs. Onion. You know, the journalist who left in such a hurry must have tired her
He was
out.
really harassing her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The media is having a field day writing what happened to Baby Onion. But is anyone actually reading these articles? Is anyone actually changing the mindset? Does anyone actually care? No. Oh dear, I did not mean to get carried away.
It's okay, Mrs. Carrot. It happens to the best of us.
Oh, if Mrs. Karen gets carried away, it is okay. If I get carried away, it is, oh, she is so hysterical.
Mama,
Oh,
please
she's
calm
such a
down.
naughty
You're
girl.
embarrassing
Cauliflower,
me.
please.
Sad.
You're upsetting your daughter. Come on. We keep forgetting why we're here. Hey, you know, this morning I read this amazing article about a 16-year-old girl named Gudiya who fought all the odds and became the first person to graduate from her village. Her school is so proud of her, and Gudiya now wants every single child to be educated.
That's really
Wonderful.
Nice. We must indeed celebrate the good news about girls. But we mustn't forget it's still a small percentage.
But what about PV Sindhu, Sachi Malik and Deepa Karmarkar? I love them equally. Think of the 3 Olympic champions, the girls who made our nation so proud by achieving their goals and dreams. I think it's terrific. I don't know which one is my favorite.
Kataria.
No, favorite Sachi Malik.
I love it too.
Me too.
And we can't ignore the bad news just because it's depressing.
I really hope the champions help change our nation's mindset.
You know what's going on in my mind right now?
No.
I feel our vegetable council should take up a firm stand and get justice for baby onion.
Yeah.
I think we should make basic education compulsory even for parents.
Parents?
Really
Yeah.
change our mindset.
Yeah, that's wonderful. I know a lawyer. Maybe I should phone
Yeah,
her.
yeah,
Really nice
That's a
idea.
great idea, but look at the time. We've been here for almost an hour and poor Mrs. Onion looks so worn out receiving condolences.
Yeah. Poor Mrs. Onion.
Oh my god, look at the time. Come on.
Oh yeah, we have to go.
We parked our cars really far.
Get your shoes, don't forget.
Oh yes.
Poor Mrs. Onion.
What actually happened?
Well, you know, last Friday was
Cauliflower,
end of the
let's
night.
just leave now, please. Look at the time.
Oh yeah, let's leave. Oh my God, really? Look at the time. Hey, I have this plane to catch, and you would not believe that the pilot and the co-pilot are both women.
Wow.
Yeah, let's
Don't
go.
forget your phone.
Oh yeah. Wait. Hey, everybody, picture.
Cauliflower, stop taking pictures.
Who
Really?
said I'm not taking any pictures?
This phone culture has made everyone go crazy. Can we
Yeah.
please exit quietly,
Yeah.
please?
What's with women going to the moon these days? I know, right?
Mama, are we going to the moon? Really?
No, just stay quiet. Let's
The
go.
moon? Wait till Kakri Chachi hears about it. She's gonna be so jealous.
Yeah, I know. It was a place.
इतना अंधेरा है यहाँ कुछ भी तो नहीं दिखाई देता तुम्हें दिखता है क्या
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं। ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हमारे चारों ओर बहुत सारी तरल सी कोई चीज़ है, एकदम पानी जैसी, लेकिन चिपचिपी। पता नहीं कौन सी जगह है हम।
घर, घर, अपना घर, खुद की अपनी जगह, सुरक्षित जगह, सुरक्षित जगह।
अभी कुछ सुना मैंने, क्या तुमने भी सुना?
हाँ
मुझे लगता है वो कोई आवाज़ थी। मेरी आंखें बंद हैं, पर मैं साफ सुन सकती हूँ।
मेरी आंखें भी बंद हैं क्या वो कभी खुलेगी भी
हाँ, बिल्कुल खुल जाएगी, पागल। लेकिन पहले हमें जन्म लेना होगा। जब हमारा जन्म होगा तब हमारी आंखें खुल जाएगी और हम दुनिया देख सकेंगे। अरे वाह, कितना मज़ा आएगा, कितना मज़ेदार ख्याल है।
पर कब होगा ये हम जल्दी क्यों नहीं कर रहे जन्म ले लेंगे और अपनी आंखें खोल देंगे क्या हमारे मम्मी पापा आई बाबा है क्या हम बहनें हैं तो कब देख पाएंगे हम अपनी मम्मी को पापा को और हम एक दूसरे को कब देखने वाले हैं अच्छा एक बात बताओ
क्या?
बड़ा कौन होगा तुम या मैं
अरे अरे, इतने सारे सवाल, लगातार बकबक बकबक बकबक, यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से यहाँ, और इतना उतावलापन। मैं महसूस करने लगी हूँ कि तुम अभी से मुझे अपने रास्ते से हटाने की कोशिश में लग चुकी हो। मालूम होता है कि तुम ही पहले जन्म लेने वाली हो।
अरे सुनो सुनो सुनो, लड़की पैदा हुई है। हाँ, लड़की। अरे भैया, लड़की हुई है। रुको, ठहरो। अरे 1 मिनट के लिए रुक जाओ। लगता है अंदर कुछ और भी है। ये देखो, मुझे सील लग रहा है। हाँ, मुझे
I don't know which one is my favorite.
Kataria.
No, my favorite Sachi Malik.
I love it too.
Me too.
And we can't ignore the bad news just because it's depressing.
I really hope the champions help change our nation's mindset.
You know what's going on in my mind right now?
No.
I feel our vegetable council should take up a firm stand and get justice for baby onion.
Yeah.
I think we should make basic education compulsory even for parents.
Parents,
And
yeah.
really change our mindset.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
I know a lawyer. Maybe I should phone
Yeah,
her.
yeah.
That's a great idea, but look at the time. We've been here for almost an hour and poor Mrs. Onion looks so worn out receiving condolences.
Yeah, poor Mrs. Onion.
Oh my God, look at the time. Come on.
Oh yeah,
let's
we
go.
have to go.
We parked our cars really far.
Get your shoes, don't forget.
Oh yes.
Poor Mrs. Onion.
What actually happened?
Well, you know, last Friday was
Cauliflower,
end of the night.
let's just leave now, please. Look at the time.
Oh yeah, let's leave. Oh my God, really? Look at the time. Hey, I have this plane to catch, and you would not believe that the pilot and the co-pilot are both women.
Wow.
Yeah, let's
Don't
go.
forget your phone.
Oh yeah. Wait. Hey, everybody, picture.
Cauliflower, stop taking pictures.
Who said? I'm not taking any pictures.
This phone culture has made everyone go crazy. Can we please exit quietly,
Yeah.
please?
What's with women going to the moon these days? I know, right?
Mama, are we going to the moon? Really?
No, just stay quiet. Let's
The
go.
moon? Wait till Kakri Chachi hears about it. She's gonna be so jealous.
Yeah, I know. It was like eroding his face.
इतना अंधेरा है यहाँ कुछ भी तो नहीं दिखाई देता तुम्हें दिखता है क्या
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं। ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हमारे चारों ओर बहुत सारी तरल सी कोई चीज़ है, एकदम पानी जैसी, लेकिन चिपचिपी। पता नहीं कौन सी जगह है हम।
घर, अपना घर, खुद की अपनी जगह, सुरक्षित जगह।
अभी कुछ सुना मैंने, क्या तुमने भी सुना?
हाँ
मुझे लगता है वो कोई आवाज़ थी। मेरी आंखें बंद हैं, पर मैं साफ सुन सकती हूँ।
मेरी आंखें भी बंद हैं क्या वो कभी खुलेगी भी
हाँ, बिल्कुल खुल जाएगी, पागल। लेकिन पहले हमें जन्म लेना होगा। जब हमारा जन्म होगा तब हमारी आंखें खुल जाएगी और हम दुनिया देख सकेंगे। अरे वाह, कितना मज़ा आएगा, कितना मज़ेदार ख्याल है।
पर कब होगा ये हम जल्दी क्यों नहीं कर रहे जन्म ले लेंगे और अपनी आंखें खोल देंगे क्या हमारे मम्मी पापा आई बाबा है क्या हम बहनें हैं तो कब देख पाएंगे हम अपनी मम्मी को पापा को और हम एक दूसरे को कब देखने वाले हैं अच्छा एक बात बताओ
क्या?
बड़ा कौन होगा तुम या मैं
अरे अरे, इतने सारे सवाल लगातार बकबक बकबक बकबक, यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से यहाँ, और इतना उतावलापन। मैं महसूस करने लगी हूँ कि तुम अभी से मुझे अपने रास्ते से हटाने की कोशिश में लग चुकी हो। मालूम होता है कि तुम ही पहले जन्म लेने वाली हो।
अरे सुनो, लड़की पैदा हुई है। हाँ, लड़की। अरे भैया, लड़की हुई है। रुको, ठहरो। अरे 1 मिनट के लिए रुक जाओ। लगता है अंदर कुछ और भी है। ये देखो, मुझे सील लग रहा है। हाँ, मुझे खुशी, गर्व या घृण, शर्म, शर्म, शर्म,
लगता है तुम भूल गए हो कि तुम्हारी माँ, बहन, दादी भी तो एक औरत है, मेरी ही तरह। अपनी मर्दांगी और ताकत के नशे में तुम इतने डूब गए हो कि तुम किसी और चीज के बारे में सोच ही नहीं सकते, है ना? सोचो, सोचो, अरे सोचो। अगर तुम हम औरतों को खत्म करोगे तो मानव जाति नहीं बचेगी, कभी नहीं बचेगी। तुम भी नहीं बचोगे, तुम भी खत्म हो जाओगे। सोचो, अरे सोचो, 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 जरा सोचो।
Diksha, Sejal, Saiden, Lakshmi, Havesh, Pushkar, Kishan, Tanvi, Prerana, Sylvia, Katya, Lola, Arab, Ani, Jonsia, Gaurangi, Meera, Parinita, Syamala, Edward, thank you. Ramita Guram, thank you for Hindi translation. Shamali, Shaman, Behel, guitar. And they wanted me to say this, and I am Arundhati. I have other children from Sunanda Bai. Come, come, come. Quick, quick, quick. Yashwini, go, come. Janvi, Lanisha, Roshni, Harshada. Give them a big hand, please. They work with us on various projects. Yeah. Okay. Bring them closer. Come, come. Come closer. Come, come, come. Come, come, quick. Come, come. Everyone. Thank you, Shalu Sharma, for wonderful paintings on vegetable t-shirts. Without you, we wouldn't have done this. Karen, thank you for backstage. Sonali, thank you for backstage.
I also would like to
Of course, we can do it anywhere, as long as you give us a good sound system and lights.
Is there anything anybody would like to ask? No?
Okay.
What was their experience? What was your experience? आपका experience कैसा था?
Diksha?
Thank you. It was a very wonderful experience by acting a Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. We got a lot of information and interesting things, knowledge also how to save girls and how to be a part like a girl, because girls are the biggest thing God has created ever. Thank you.
Anything else?
Did your parents object when you all were attending all this?
Did your parents object when you all were attending the workshops?
Not at all.
No.
Very good to your parents.
Yes.
Thank you, yes.
He has a question.
What we were trying to give us some message, no? The message, do you got it?
That's important. Anything else? Great show. Thank you. All Arundhati and the kids. Excellent performance.
Tell us the next
All the girls are there.
We hope to do it in Vasco, in Margao, in I think a couple of public places in Panjim.
On the 18th, we are going to do in. Please tell your friends and people who would like to come and attend this. I wanted to design this as a street performance so we can reach out to people. The idea is not to do this in a formal environment. It just doesn't work. The words, the abstractness, the simplicity of music and sound, okay, the ambient sound. Everything is something that reminds us of why we live, how we live. And do we really, are we jaded? Are we faded? How much do we actually do to uplift this cause or things like that? So we want to perform in many, many areas. And it's a site-specific performance. So if you say, Acha Arunati, waha karo, I just say, Acha, you enter from there, you enter from there, we fatafat do, and these kids are so sharp that in just, they do it. It's amazing. It's amazing. I've worked with them before. And they're just mind-boggling. So on the 18th, we are going to do this in Inox and that old GMC area at about 1:45. Okay? So please tell your friends. And the next performance we'd like to do, someone said, would you like to do it in a mall? I said, I'd love to do it in a mall. I want to do this in public spaces where all kinds of people walking by should stop and say, ye kya ho raha hai? That is my objective, to take these children and make them perform in a different way. Thank you. Thank you for coming. We really appreciate this. Thank you.